Hello friends, today's question, a wave equation which gives the displacement along the y direction is given by y is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 sine of 60t plus 2x, where x and y are in meters and t is in seconds. This represents a wave, so we have to find out the velocity of the wave, the wavelength, frequency and amplitude. So we are going to, this is a multi-correct option, so we are going to take one by one. And in this question, we are going to start from the given equation. We are given wave equation. We have y is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 sine of 60t plus 2x. Here y is the displacement, and x is the position in meters, and t is the time in seconds. Time in seconds. Now we are going to compare the given equation with the general equation of wave. So we say that the general wave equation we have y is equal to a sine of kx minus omega t and plus y. Now here a is the amplitude, and if we compare, we can see that the value of a is equal to 10 to the power minus 4, and it will be in meters, and the angular frequency is our omega. So we say omega is our angular frequency, and it will be equal to 60 radian per second. And finally, k is our wave number, and the wave number will be equal to 2. And wave number is also given as 2 pi by lambda. So from here we can find out our wavelength, lambda, which is our wavelength, lambda is the wavelength, and that will be coming as equal to pi meters. So we got our amplitude and we got our lambda, and we can find out the frequency also, because f is our frequency, and we know that omega is equal to 2 pi f. So this gives us f is equal to omega upon 2 pi. Omega is our 60. So we substitute the value, we get f is equal to 60 upon 2 pi. So this becomes 30 upon pi. So this is our frequency, and velocity, frequency, amplitude, wavelength. We got all the, we need to find out the velocity also. Okay. So we find out the v, and v, that the velocity, wave velocity, that is v, will be equal to frequency multiplied by lambda. So we substitute the value. Frequency is our 30 upon pi, and lambda we found out is our pi. So pi and pi cancels out. So we get our v is equal to 30 meter per second. So we got the velocity also, and finally we are going to find out the direction. And if you make a comparison, you can see that for direction, we are mainly interested in this particular part, which is given as plus 2x. This indicates that the wave is traveling in the negative x direction. This indicates that the wave is traveling in negative x direction. So therefore, all the options here are the correct options. A, B, C as well as D, all options are correct. You can say options A, B, C and D are correct. So this completes the question. Thank you.